Entonces we do the corte, right? We do the corte and then we come back or well forward, right? That was the main idea. So we have it. Back side, I open here, right? And then I come back. Okay? So we did that as an exercise last week, right? So we have it this, right? So for example, to you have the idea for your Sebastian, right? The same for Richard, right? If you go to a line, right, you see the rotation is different. So right now it's going different direction with her, right? But if I go what we did right now over here, right? I walk in front of her, create that space to her to go here, right? I go in the direction, right? If I take the movement a little bit slightly different, the movement falling to the side because I am too even in this momento over here on her, right? I'm too in this side, so we're gonna bounce there. If I did the movement how I was here, she has the sensation to go on this side, right? Because I have the decision there, right? So we do this movement, we can take a choice, right? We do this, we take the movement, we can go to the corte and come back, right? And instead of the ocho. We're still doing the ocho because we come back to the ocho, right? Listen, what I do instead to do the ocho and bring it, right? I go to the ocho, but I cut the movement and come back to the ocho. So I cut the ocho naturally, and I go to the side, and then I come back to the ocho. So I can have it, I can officially say, I have an ocho cortado. Right. Or if I want to have it, if I want to have more nominate for the Ocho Cortado, right? To have the name very graduated to Ocho Cortado, right? I want to have this, that, this, corte.